Autosoma PRP. Nothing is more natural than you. Turn the clock back on the effects of aging to a fantastic extent. Not with surgery, not with creams, not with cosmetics, not with pills, not with electronics. Then how? Autosoma is the answer. PRP is not all that new. Platelet-rich plasma injections have been around for decades, based on the procedure developed in the early 70s to cure muscle injury, ulcer cure in the 1980s, maxillofacial surgery, oral implantology, arthroscopic surgery, orthopedics, plastic or cosmetic surgery, ophthalmology, cardiac surgery, all the way to peripheral nerve repair in 2003. We bring you Autosoma, the beautiful combination of natural and beauty. This quick and simple technique stimulates tissue regeneration using one's own blood products. Let's look at Autosoma at a glance. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, is part of your own blood, which is responsible for repairing tissue injury. Use of PRP in medicine is based on simply the healing power of your own body. Think for a moment how your body repairs itself in event of an injury. When you incur a small cut or abrasion, you don't bleed to death. Your body has the capability to seal a wound and repair it with the production of new tissue. This repair is carried out by a component of your blood called platelets. In event of an injury, your platelets start a cascade of repair by forming a fibrin mesh to seal the wound, which in turn releases a number of growth factors. Studies show that the growth factors in platelets help tendons, ligaments, and muscle heal faster as well as stimulate. Platelet-rich plasma treatments have been becoming more and more popular during the last 10 years. It's a favorite among celebrities. Athletes use it for accelerated healing. Actors use it to enhance their appearance. Let's have a look at the most famous people who have had PRP treatment. Angelina Jolie. It has been reported that Angelina Jolie took the PRP skin rejuvenation treatment to boost her collagen. No wonder her wrinkles have smoothed out, and what we see is a glowing face. Rafael Nadal's secret to rapid recovery from his knee injury. Speaking to reporters at the Shanghai Masters, Nadal addressed the report and clarified that the PRP worked unbelievable on my knee in 2010 and 2009. Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova used platelet-rich plasma therapy to treat a shoulder injury shortly before the French Open, and the list goes on. Let's see how Autosoma is done. Blood is made of white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets, which contain growth factors, and all this is pumped around the body within the plasma. Using our patented technique, Autosoma method, clinicians can take 9 milliliters of patient's blood and concentrate a portion of platelets in the plasma to optimum level. The result is called platelet-rich plasma, or PRP for short. When a PRP is injected back into the patient, the platelets are activated and release growth factors. These attract stem cells, which proliferate and differentiate the healthy cells specific to the location of the body. Autosoma PRP treatment is commonly used for derma, hair loss treatment, gynecology, and orthopedic treatment. Autosoma vaginal PRP. Until recently, there were very few options for women. Autosoma shot is a game changer, improving lubrication, sensitivity, ease, and intensity of orgasm, and often resolving urinary incontinence. What is the Autosoma shot? Autosoma shot is a non-surgical simple procedure that uses the growth factors each woman has in her own body to stimulate vaginal and clitoral rejuvenation to activate the orgasm system. Female sexual dysfunction is not a small problem. 50% of women experience some degree of low libido and dysfunction. A series of Autosoma PRP injections in the anterior wall, roof of the vagina, and in and around the clitoris. Autosoma GYNAE, the vaginal rejuvenation treatment, begins with a couple of vials of blood being drawn. The plasma that contains the PRP is then separated from the red and white blood cells by a centrifuge. The Autosoma shot procedure begins with a simple blood draw. Then, using an Autosoma technique, platelets are separated and concentrated. The platelet-rich plasma containing growth factors extracted from your blood is then injected with an extremely thin needle into an area near the clitoris and into the area of the upper vagina that is most important for the sexual response. Women often enjoy some effects of the Autosoma shot almost immediately as the growth factors begin to rejuvenate and enhance the sexual response. Women receiving the Autosoma shot procedure have reported an increase in their sexual response within days and weeks of the treatment, and for many, the increase is dramatic. Recommended patients for Autosoma shot: vaginal revitalization or rejuvenation, labia majora, sensitive dry skin, dyschromias, shrinkage, loss of blood supply, lack of mucus, clitoris shrinkage, vaginal dryness, discomfort during sexual intercourse. What can the Autosoma shot do for you? Although each woman's experience may differ in some ways, women generally seek Autosoma shot for vaginal rejuvenation for 2 reasons. 1. To relieve symptoms related to pelvic relaxation. 2. To enhance or improve sexual function. After childbirth, some women find that their vagina doesn't feel or function the same as before. Autosoma shot, in combination with laser double wave diplo, are the most innovative applications in vaginal aesthetics today. A basic treatment consisting of 4 sessions with a 1 to 2 month interval is recommended. Schedule the Autosoma shot consultation today. Autosoma, the beautiful combination of natural and beauty, because nothing is more natural than you.